Greeting in the name of Almighty God. Welcome. So that today, my dear, I will share with you the measure of success. Measure of success mean to say how can we point out the success, measure of success. There is no tool in this world that measure your success. Okay, there is no tools, no instrument that measure your success like that. If we would like to measure the petrol, we use the 1 liter. Okay, the measurement. Okay, the milk, different types of 1 kg, different types of measurements in the world. Okay, and they have different types of tools, but today I will share with you the measure of success. What is the instrument, what are the instrument that measure your success? So that in the number first, if different views, different thoughts and different ideas that about the measure of success. Okay, so that I will share the different types and different views uh, that elaborate, that clarify the measure of success. I will tell you the some points. Okay, listen carefully. The first of all, a measure of success is obedience of God. We cannot succeed without obedience. Success is obedience to God. It is the first tool. If you would like to success in your life, first of all, you should be obedience. Obey. Obedience to God and love your target, love your goal. Okay, obedience. This is empowerment, encouraged by spirit. Okay, the spirit encourage you, promote you. This is the first step, obedience of God, and the real success start from the obedience of God. Without obedience of God, there is no concept of success. Different religions, different thoughts that clarify about the tip of measure of success. Okay, this is the first number, obedience to God, obedience of God. Okay, and so that today I will share the next point. What is the next point? Measure of success. Okay, listen carefully. Different religions and different ideas about measure of success. The first, you should be obedience, and the number second, some thoughts of some religions I will share with you. Okay, the number second is that is according to the Christian thought is totally different, and Christian thought says as a pleasant life. If you spend your present life, you are success in your criteria, you are success in your life. The pleasant life. Every person in this world, every human being that is exist in this world have a desire of a pleasant life. He should the desire of a pleasant life. Okay, the Christian says, number second, Christian says the pleasant life is a measure of success. How much you are pleasant in your life. In these days, many people are worried, weeping, cry, different types of cancer, tension, confusion. Okay, and these are things. Okay, but the pleasant life, this is a good thing. Pleasant life is the most important. The number second, the Islamic thought. What are the Islamic thought? Number second, number third, Islamic thought. Islamic thought says beneficial. Okay, beneficial accomplishment. Your accomplishment when you Your every accomplishment should be beneficial for other people. It is a successful life according to the Islamic thought. There is written Al-Haq organization, the page 54 clarify about the accomplishment. According to the Islamic, this is a measure of success, identify as accomplishment. When you accomplish your accomplishment should be beneficial for other people. And the number 4, according to the Hinduism, Hinduism's thoughts are totally different. And what does they say about the measure of success? The Hindu says the measure of success can be defined as a mastery of unveiling things. Okay, masteries of our unveiling things and the good relationship with the word. It is a measure of success according to the Hinduism. You can measure your success with your good relationship. The people says you're a good person, you're a good personality. The people thoughts about you, positive thoughts, is a success according to Hinduism. Okay, Hindu says about this measure of success. This is the fourth part. And number fifth measure of success can be defined when you are a hater. The people hate you and you success front of them. Okay, measure of success can be defined as the when your hater cannot reach your level. Your hater cannot reach at your level. It is a measure of success. Okay, the number 6, I will tell with you the 6th point. Measure of success, increase your if you increase in business is a growth. Okay, the measure of success number 6, if you increase in your business is your growth. Increase your possession in the ways is your growth. Increase in possessions, you become riches. Okay, in the way is your growth. But some items, some points should be added that will clarify the measure of success. Growth, you should add growth ethic and your disciples ethics. In growth you should add ethics. Your behavior should be good, accurate. Okay, add behavior, disciples plus ethic is your progress. Okay, if you add in your progress is a humanity. People are human but they have not humanity is the most important thing. Okay, progress plus humanity plus morality and plus spiritual life. Okay, plus spiritual life is equal to success. These 4 things are the measure of success: your progress, your humanity, morality and the spirituality. These 4 things define the measure of success. If you have missed one of them, it means you cannot level of success. Measure of success, they clarify these 4 things. The number 7, your thoughts are a most important thing. Success is the act of your negative and the positive thought. Success is an act between negative and the positive thoughts. There many people in this world have a negative thought. Many people in this world have a positive thoughts. Okay, success can be measured through the negative and the positive thoughts. Number 9, a new chapter after a failure. The many people fail, but they should never give up. I can do all these things. Who give me strength? I can go. I can do all these things. God give you the power. God give you the strength. God give you the wisdom. God give you the whole world. You can do everything in God. God give you power. Okay, strength. It is a chapter. Failure. Many people fail in their life, but not discouraged. Your failure life encourage you, motivate you, and give you an other way. Number 9. Success is a happiness. Your life full of happy. Success can be measured through happy life. Many people have great riches, great wealth, but we should understand how much they are happy. Okay, success is a spend life in his own way. Success is a success is a spend life his own way. You can success your life. You can spend your life his own way. Your thought plus your work. Number 11, your thought plus your work, your efforts, result of measure of success. Okay, these things clarify your success. And the number 12 and the last, freedom. What you want to do, you can do. I can do all these things in God. God give you the power, God give you the strength, and you can do all these things in God. Okay, freedom, what you want to do, God create you free. Okay, but devil have a desire to destroy you, bond you. God create you free. Do the work. Spend your life in spirituality. Spend your life in obedience of God if you would like to achieve your target. These things are measure of success. Okay, and success, measure of success is the most important in your life. God bless you once again. Without measure of success, without obedience of God, we cannot achieve our goal, we cannot achieve our target. God bless you once again, and thank you for watching. And God bless you, increase you in every walk of life. Many blessing, favor, and power come upon your life in the name of God. God bless you once again. Thank you for watching, my dear brother and sister.